Guys, subscribe to my channel hashtags with Vichel and click on the bell icon to get notified regarding the latest videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll be doing a beautiful decoration item for Christmas Eve. So I believe you saw my last videos of the flower leaf decoration model and the bow model. So we'll be using those multiple such flower leaves and bows to form a beautiful decorative item for this Christmas. So without further delay, let's begin. So guys, for this Christmas tree decoration stuff, we'll need these strips of paper. As you can see, we can get 4 strips from an A4 sheet of paper. So we'll need such 20 strips. So basically 5 A4 sheets of paper and 20 such strips. And we'll need a square piece of paper for the bow, which I have already posted a video earlier. So do check out that video for the bow model. So let me keep all others aside and let's focus on this one. So first, you need to fold it from the center. Basically you need to make a zigzag, so just keep folding it like this. Here if I again fold it, will be a thick fold, so I'll just fold it like this, half here and half here. Press it tightly so that you have all the folds. Now open it back. All you need to make it is a zigzag pattern. This one, this side fold, one this fold, one this fold, one this fold, and here you just align it as per the foldings. It is necessary to have a zigzag pattern, otherwise the decoration design doesn't look good. Like this. This is very easy to fold it, as you can see, entire zigzag pattern. Now need to staple it here, so let me get my stapler. So at this point we'll staple it. This is a thick one, so just make sure that it doesn't get removed. I'll put one more stapler on from this side. Alright, now let's take a pencil and we'll draw a curve like this. Now let's cut this section. Let me get back. So here I have cut that section. Now I need to open this. Open this each layer like this and then press it so that it stays in that shape. You use your thumb and make it like this, like this. So this is a small flowerish part. Similarly, we need to create 20 such flowers or leaves, you can say it as, and then we'll decorate the final, we'll add each one to the final structure to form the final model. So let me make all those 20, and even you start making all 20 such models, and I'll be back. So guys, here I made 20 leaf flower decorative models, and now we'll keep all this, we'll decorate it properly on a mount board. This mount board has radius of size 19 centimeter, so the diameter is 38 centimeter, and you cut it in this fashion. And we have the bow from previous video, so do check out that video on how to create this bow, and we'll use this bow as well. So now we put each petal or each leaf like this, in this fashion. We'll stick it here, and then the next leaf will come like this. So we'll fill up this entire section like this, and in the center we'll have some photograph or something where you can finally have the decorative item model. So let me complete the filling part and I'll show you the final model. So guys, this is the final Christmas decoration item. As you can see here, this is how it looks. All the leaf decorative items, all the petals are like this, and we have a bow, and we have decorated with a rose flower and some oars over here like this. So this is the final decorative item, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a very beautiful model, and go ahead, make one, decorate your Christmas tree with this decorative item and enjoy Christmas. But don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. Share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back next week. New content, new videos. Stay tuned. Take care, guys.